So let's just talk about hierarchical inheritance in Python. So hierarchical inheritance is a type of inheritance where multiple child classes inherit from a single parent class. Like an example, suppose we have a single parent class. Now from this parent class we can have multiple child classes. Like an example, the child 1, child 2, and this way we can have multiple child classes. So in hierarchical inheritance we have this tree-like structure where properties and methods of this parent class will be inherited by all of its child classes. So this way we can reuse the code and we can organize the classes. So like an example, suppose we have a parent class father. So inside that we have the method profession. So the father's profession engineer. Now we have multiple child classes. So we have the son 1 which inherits from the father class, and here also we have the method profession. So the son has the profession as a doctor. Similarly also we have another child class, so son 2, and it also inherits from the parent class father, and it has a different profession. So the son 2 is one artist. So here both the son 1 and the son 2 inheriting from the father class, but all of their profession is different. So here each child class overrides the profession method of this parent class. So now we can use the son1 object and we can call the profession method. This will invoke this profession method. Similarly also we can use the son2 object and we can call the profession method, and this will invoke the son2 profession method. And also we can use the father object and we can call the profession method, and this will invoke the father's profession method. So here we have profession of all of these classes. So here with the use of this hierarchical inheritance we have the code reusability, and also we have the polymorphism. So because we are overriding the method of the father class in the child class, so here we have the polymorphism using this hierarchical inheritance. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.